This is a machine that we've just reconditioned. It's an Ambus TRAU150 automatic. It is vice feed. It will feed up to 600mm length. The bow is cast iron, as you can see. It's on twin pillars, which I think is unique for a machine as small as compact as this one is. All the controls are neatly grouped together. The access to the control system, which isn't CNC, it's actually just simple relays, which are easy to replace. It's through this door here. We have access to the hydraulics from the other two doors. Around the back of the machine, there is a removable coolant tank and a removable swarf tray. So cleaning out the machine is very easy as well. And just for good measure, they do include a coolant flushing hose as well to clean the machine down after you've done a series of components. Okay, I'm just about to do a dry run for you to show you how the machine operates with no material in here. But before I do that, I'll just point out the guide system here, which is carbide tips on both sides of the blade to guide the blade, backed up by ball bearings which are adjustable on cams. So you'll see the vice feeding through, clamping hydraulically. This vice here clamps the off-cut billet, if you like. That means that when you're cutting through, it will hold the billet all the way through the cut. It won't snap off afterwards, leaving a little annoying burr. So that's quite an advantage with a machine like this. Here we go. Okay, this is the control panel, as you can see. We have a 2-speed switch for the motor. It's keep it simple basically. The slow speed, 35 metres a minute, is about for cutting stainless steel, tool steels, etc. On a faster speed, you can cut around 70 metres a minute, and that'll do your mild steel, aluminium, those sort of things. Obviously, clamping the material you can do with these buttons here. You can move the vice in and out. Everything manually, basically. You can actually operate the machine manually, and if you just want to do one cut, you can do one cut in the manual position, which is there. The automatic position is there. Emergency stop switch here. The down feed rate on this device here, the actual cutting rate of the machine. Coolant on and off. And a piece counter, the number of pieces you wish to cut. You just program into here, simple as that. Over the back of the machine, there is a hand wheel and a little scale here which tells you how long your pieces are going to be. So you just turn that handle and that will give you the length of pieces you need to cut. So it's that simple, really. Okay, we're going to do a test cut now, just put it in automatic. I haven't got any coolant on the machine at the moment, but it'll cut okay and dry for this demonstration. There is an end of cut switch here, and that is that when the bar runs out, the machine will stop, so no problems there.